How to make a simple Angostura Dark and Stormy. It doesn't get any easier when it comes to making drinks at home. Dark and Stormy, the world's most litigious cocktail, started with a guy named Gosling who was trying to improve his local Jamaican rum. He created it by mixing some ginger beer and a little lime juice. As it turns out, that's not too bad of an idea. One of people's favorite dark and stormy drinks is the Angostura Dark and Stormy, made with ginger beer, lime juice, and rum. So, we'll be showing you how easy it is to make your own delicious dark and stormy without any fuss. First, prepare the ingredients: 60 ml Angostura rum, 15 ml lime juice, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, 120 ml ginger beer. Then, here's how to make it. Step 1. Fill your glass with ice and add ginger beer. Leave a gap at the top of the rum. Step 2. Pour lime juice. Step 3. Add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Step 4. Slowly fill the glass with Angostura rum so the rum layers on top. Voila! Angostura Dark and Stormy to enjoy. For more cocktail recipes, subscribe to Advanced Mixology. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell button to stay updated on our latest videos.